Have you ever heard that 90% of millionaires invest in owning real estate? Well, believe it or not, it's true. And there's a reason why the wealthiest people invest their money into real estate. But like any investment, it does come with its pros and cons. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home team of Keller Williams, and I'm just taking a little bit of time today to walk you through a few of the pros and cons to owning real estate. So first, let's start with the good parts. First of all, real estate is a great investment because it appreciates over time. While there are occasional market fluctuations, if you buy at the right time, the rate of appreciation generally far outpasses the annual inflation rate. Second, becoming a homeowner has a unique tax benefit which will allow you to grow your wealth over time. Third, rental properties provide a steady cash flow, and cash flow provides ongoing monthly income that is mostly passive. And fourth, real estate builds up equity while your tenant is paying the mortgage payment, increasing your net worth and paying down an asset that you can continue to rent or eventually sell and make a profit. Okay, now for the cons of owning real estate. Let's take a look. So as far as the cons of owning real estate, from my point of view, I would say there are more challenges, but we definitely want to make sure we know both options before we're going to purchase a property and use it as an investment. First, owning real estate requires money up front. You will need funds for a down payment, repairs, updates, as well as regular maintenance, expenses and insurance, as well as property taxes. Now that can either come from you specifically as a sole owner, or you can get into a group or an investment that will assist in making those upfront payments and maintenance along the way. Number two, there is a learning curve that comes with owning real estate, so it's very important to know which properties are good investments and how to manage them once they've been purchased. Three, investing in real estate also comes with its own risk. You may buy at the wrong time, increasing your liability or getting over leveraged. You need to make sure that you are able to have money at the end of the month for your monthly expenses despite unforeseen issues or repairs that may arise. Now, a real estate investment is an awesome chance to provide steady cash flow. It has continued appreciation and tax advantages, which makes it a sound investment. Just make sure you're ready to consider the important factors at play, both for the pros and for those con challenges. I personally invest in real estate and would love an opportunity just to sit down and ask any questions and answer any questions you have. Would love to find your next investment property and start your financial wealth or retirement or paying for a child's college education through owning real estate.